They said it was just another rock drifting through the endless dark. But NASA's latest data tells a story far more terrifying. A new interstellar object, officially named 3I Atlas, is racing through our solar system, and what scientists are seeing now is shaking even the calmest minds at NASA. Its path, its speed, its unpredictable behavior. Everything about it screams something's not right. And according to fresh calculations, this mysterious object might be heading straight toward Mars. When 3I Atlas was first spotted, astronomers thought they were just witnessing another harmless visitor like Oumuamua or Borisov. But this one was different. The object appeared to glow faintly blue-green, and its tail seemed too thin, too controlled, almost as if guided by something unseen. In the beginning, everyone dismissed it as a coincidence, just another comet passing through. Yet, as weeks went by, the readings got stranger. NASA tracking systems noticed subtle but consistent course shifts. Shifts that couldn't be explained by gravity alone. Something or someone was influencing its path. And then came the terrifying part. When updated trajectory simulations were run, one result stood out: a potential collision course with Mars. The odds were small, but real enough for scientists to quietly start running impact models. What would happen if 3I Atlas actually struck the red planet? The numbers are horrifying. The energy release would equal millions of nuclear bombs detonating at once. It would blast dust and debris high into Mars' thin atmosphere, possibly igniting chain reactions that could temporarily warm the planet or wipe away what little stability it had left. But there's something else, something even more mysterious. Deep space radar scans suggest that 3I Atlas doesn't have the same composition as known comets. It reflects light in odd patterns, almost metallic in nature. Some experts believe it's too dense to be made entirely of ice or rock. Could it be a fragment of something artificial? A probe from another civilization? Or is it a piece of an ancient planet shattered billions of years ago, finally making its way into our neighborhood? No one knows. But the deeper NASA looks, the stranger it gets. As it speeds closer to the inner solar system, Mars' orbit will bring it frighteningly close, just a cosmic hair's breadth away in astronomical terms. If gravity nudges it even slightly, if some unknown force alters its route by the smallest degree, a direct impact could happen. And if that happens, everything changes. We'd witness an event not seen since the birth of our solar system, a planetary collision visible from Earth with the naked eye. The red glow of Mars might turn brighter, its surface reshaped forever. Some scientists are cautiously optimistic, calling it a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study interstellar matter up close. But others aren't sleeping easy. NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory quietly extended its monitoring schedule, increasing scans and simulation frequency. Behind closed doors, they are preparing for all possibilities: impact, atmospheric entry, or a near miss that could still trigger dangerous shockwaves through Mars' thin atmosphere. Even a near approach could scatter debris into space, potentially forming a temporary ring around Mars. So what is 3I Atlas? Really? A rogue rock from another star system? A remnant of something ancient and unknown? Or a messenger, something carrying secrets of a world long gone? Whatever it is, it's vast, it's massive, and it's getting closer every single day. NASA's latest data paints a chilling picture. The object's acceleration isn't constant, it's increasing. Something is pushing it, something we don't yet understand. If this continues, 3I Atlas could become the most studied object in human history. The one that reminds us how fragile our place in the universe really is. Because if Mars is hit, it won't just be a Martian tragedy, it'll be a warning. A glimpse of what could one day happen to us. Every few million years, the universe reminds us of its power. Maybe this is our reminder. So as you watch this, remember somewhere out there, right now, a mysterious traveler from another world is racing through the darkness. Its destination, unknown. Its purpose, unclear. But NASA terrifying data says one thing for sure: something big is coming.